All right, you guys, here we are, 12/12/24. Merry Christmas. Here if you go to my other adventure channel, a little more, as it came into the station, came a little early, so here we are in St. Louis Park.
Yeah, there's music if you walk down there.
The CPKC Christmas holiday train. So there's a lot of stuff going on here. It started in Golden Valley today, and it's going to be other places too as well. So Merry Christmas, everybody. Go to the Adventure Channel. It came into the station. It's really kind of cool. It's the first time it's been this close to us in a long time. So it's like 10 degrees. How cold is it right now? How cold is it right now?
4 degrees.
Okay, 4 degrees, huh? All right, 4 degrees. But so they have all kinds of stuff going on. People are singing.
Outside now singing.
Yeah,
They have certain ones on certain days.
yeah. So it's a big family event. So you can come and get, you can give food to it, money, and they've raised a lot of money. This is a big thing every year in Minnesota. So I know it's out west farther, Loretta, everything else. The Canadian Pacific is really big in this town. They got a big yard for 61. And they had the old railroad track that went from Fort Moore Company out there. They took all the stuff to over there to St. Paul. So I thought it was 15, but it's like 5 degrees, but it's nice. Great day for, you can see a lot of family rolling around over here, screwing around. So. Great day for this, man. Someone's singing on the stage. CPA, the holiday train. They were Christmas caroling for a while. But you guys, coming up Christmas on the podcast channel. The Adventure Channel was a little more, but when it came in, it came a little early. That was kind of cool. That's like 10 minutes long, so. But it's really cool. I mean, it was fun that we were here. We used to live in St. Louis Park. The first house we bought back in '94. But today it was in Golden Valley first. And then it came down to the spur that goes from the main line all the way down to Edina and Bloomington. Kind of hard to play guitar with the guitar with, but it's kind of cool. Yeah, I'll be done then. I'll be done here momentarily. So yeah, it's just kind of cool. You can go online and find all kinds of different videos from different parts of the country. Canadian Pacific's been around a while. My dad was still alive. My mom, my brother who died on this day at 12/12/12, loved trains too as well. So.
What are you trying to do?
But hope you guys had a good Christmas morning. Really cool. Lots of people. It's not windy, not snowing outside. But anyways, guys, really cool. Raised a lot of money for food shelf. We bought some food with us. Donate to cause.
I hope you know that he was going.
Well, anyways, we'll head on back. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, have a good Christmas. We'll see you guys on the next one.